Activate your test online.
Visit gdx.net/activate.
Enter the activation number located at the top of the label card that's included in your collection pack. Enter your date of birth to continue. Your information review screen will show you highlighted red panels where we need specific information to continue the activation process. Select if the sample has been collected. Complete your patient information screen. Choose your payment method and complete the payment screen. The final page is a success message. That's it, you're done.